Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tayana and today I'm going to be showing you how to get ready in 5 minutes with a natural face makeup routine. Let's get started. First, I take my Milk Grip Primer to prime my face. Now for the eyebrows, I use the Anastasia pomade to lightly fill in my eyebrows, just the sparse areas, to keep them looking natural but full. Add some clear eyebrow gel and only conceal under the eyebrow. Now I take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer that pretty much matches my shade for under my eyes and blend that out. Now I take my cream contour stick and literally do one swipe on all my desired areas. Now after I blend all that contour out, I take a concealer in a slightly lighter shade than me to cut my contour. Not only does that give you a natural effect, but you're still snatched in the cheekbones. Next, take your favorite cream blush and apply as much as you want. We're going to go ahead and get a beauty blender and blend that out. Get some highlight, set that face, apply some subtle, natural looking lashes. I literally get these from Target. We cannot forget the lip gloss, and there you have it, a natural makeup look that you can do literally in 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you're not yet subscribed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.